Hi, hope you all are in peace. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, I challenged myself to draw as quickly as possible. Although I did not give myself a timer, but it was just that I had to do it as fast as possible. It just has to be a simple pen drawing and it has to be fast. It's because I take a lot of time whenever I'm drawing anything, even if it's easy. I just think a lot and I just regret and just think that I cannot do it. So, although it's not a bad habit to take your time doing art, it's a good thing. You just do art, take your time, take it slow or fast, however it's easy for you, however it gives you happiness. And whenever you've created something, you just after it's done or whenever it's giving you bad feelings, just leave the work right there, go do something else, and then come back after some time. You are gonna notice the difference. You're gonna notice many things that can be done, some things that can be improved, and some new ideas might struck your mind. So it's a process. But for this video, I wanted to do it fast, without thinking much. I decided to use the marker, this pointer, which is basically a normal school pointer. And it was because I was impressed with it in my recent video. So I had to do with this again. And I went on Pinterest to try and select some ideas. I was very impressed by this portrait of girl, and I tried drawing that, and I was pretty close. It was a good improvement. I just went however my mind felt like at that point. I did the face shape and did not like it much, but still went on doing the hair. And the hair kind of covered the flaws that the face shape had. So it's a win win, isn't it? And wherever I felt like I added some lines like this to make it feel out of this world. After I am done with the hair, I was pretty satisfied with it, so I went on doing the face features. I started doing the eyes, and at first I was thinking these are pretty small and not appropriate for the shape of the face, but there was no time to stop, think, or regret. So I just kept going, tried to make it fuller using eyelid and eyelashes. Obviously, it's kind of looking creepy, but it is gonna improve. It's the process. Then I started doing the nose and I started to mess up here. But it's all fine because there's no time to think and regret. So I kept with the flow and drew some more lines and more lines to cover the mistakes I did with the nose. And if we look at the nose alone, it's not gonna look good. But if we look at the portrait as a whole, it's gonna look better. So why not just look at the whole portrait? Then time for the lips after adding a lot of lines. I was doing it myself. I was not following the reference at this point, and I wanted to draw some like very dramatic lips, and I think I caught that dreamy look. Now I couldn't leave the portrait just as is. I had to add something that is dreamier. So I thought, why not add butterflies? And the butterflies should be highlighted here. So after adding the body of the portrait, I was not, I couldn't wait to add the butterflies. So I just added simple butterflies everywhere, like everywhere on her hair, around her, on her dress. It was looking so fine. And this was not only easy, it was also very enjoyable. And while I was drawing the portrait, I was excited to draw the butterflies. And now, as I'm drawing the butterflies, I'm very excited and could not hold myself to add colors. So I tried to do it as fast as I can, and didn't do much. And I've already decided in my head which color I was going to use, as I thought it should be the highlight. So why not add the highlighted yellow color in it? And look how it turned out. Isn't it amazing? I am just in love with this portrait I did, and the butterflies surrounding it were even amazing. Those were dreamy. And I think this is what happens when you just start. When you just start doing something, you come up with even more ideas, more creative ideas. So I zoomed in to have more satisfying feelings of the colors being added. I did not do it pretty clean, but these were looking pretty decent, so it's not a big deal. I completed this page in about 15 minutes, and I think I won the challenge. I tried to do it as fast as I can, and I think this was the fastest. I really enjoyed it, and I think if I try to be consistent, I am really gonna improve. Hope you also enjoyed it, and hope you all like it. Thanks for watching, and bye.